how to add low power mode shortcut on iPhone Control Center. First is by opening your Settings app and then scroll down until you can see your Control Center. So right here under General, click on that one and make sure to go to the bottom and look for the low power mode option. So again, look for the low power mode option, which is this one. So it is basically seen under Hearing. So click on the plus button, and then whenever you go to your control center, you may be able to see the low power mode option right here. If you want to reorder the buttons, make sure to click on this button right here. So press and hold onto that button and drag it to wherever you want. So again, go back to your control center and then you may be able to see the low power mode option. So that's it. That's how you can add low power mode shortcut on iPhone Control Center. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.